Hey everyone, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. I know it's been a couple weeks since I posted a video, but today I will be sharing a lot of organization inspiration with you all. I really wanted to come in here and get rid of some things that was no longer working in this space. I did purchase some new items that I thought would work a whole lot better, and I'll be getting rid of a lot of stuff that's no longer useful. But if you're interested, please keep watching.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need.
Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. As I mentioned in the beginning of the video that this shelf was coming down, the left bracket did break, so I had to take everything off of here because we had way too much heavy stuff, and I really wanted to maximize the vertical space, and I also wanted to do something fun with this back wall, which you all will see later on in the video.
Buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sun sets on fire, tell me your desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm sunny, you love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby.
Also wanted to mention, if you have a sign store near you, make sure you check them out because a lot of times they do sell vinyl and they also give it away if it no longer works for them. I was gifted those big rolls of vinyl that you see and I've been having it for years now. So make sure you check out your local sign store to see if they have anything.
Of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night.
I purchased this wallpaper from Lowe's, and one thing I've learned about pattern wallpaper, you want to make sure the lot numbers match on the packaging. That way you know it was cut from the same roll and it's going to line up properly. Otherwise, you're going to have issues trying to get things lined up. And this is always a big issue when it comes to pattern wallpaper. The desks that you see in this closet, I did get these from Walmart a few months ago because I was going to use them for a different project, but they work in here. Now, the mess that you see here, I don't know why I always create a bigger mess in the process of doing these projects, but anyway, I had to move things out of the closet. Plus, I had some other things I was trying to see if it was going to work in here, and it didn't, but everything will come together. This shelf that you see here, I got this from Lowe's as well. I did want to add a shelf to the closet, and you will see me come back later and add another bracket to it. I only put 2 up originally, but it definitely needed one in the middle because it was sagging. So I'll show you guys later on how that turned out. take a small time out from working in there, and this area that we have between our bedroom and the laundry room is pretty much wasted space. And the shelf that you see here is basically a dust collector, but I do still want to utilize that shelf, and it will work better in the craft room. So the cube shelves that you see me taking out of here, they were pretty much falling apart. It was only one that was still in good condition, so I did want to put the better one in a coat closet that we had downstairs because it will work best in that. But this one that you see me cleaning off, I will put in the craft room. And I do want to do a future project to this area. I will share that with you all later on, but I think it will work best as some type of storage closet or something because we are lacking storage space in our home. So when that time comes, I'll be sure to share that with you all, but let's get back to it. I did receive a few free items from TikTok Shop, being a creator on that platform as well. And since I knew I was going to be doing a little makeover in this room, I wanted to make sure I chose some organization items. So I will be utilizing those items in this space. Guys, this is a couple days later. I did purchase these storage cubes off of Target's website. The ones that I currently had were too small and they weren't as sturdy as I would like them to be. Plus, the bigger ones held a lot more stuff and they fit perfectly on the shelf. So I did go ahead and purchase 9 of these. 'Cause you said your favorite one is blue. Do you even care? Take another look
falling hopelessly in love with you, 'cause you're making me complete. I just wanna take another look at you. Will you let me?
Okay, you guys, the room is complete and I must say I am satisfied with the outcome. The goal was just to make sure I had a place for everything in here. I did add some new items and I was able to add additional surface space. The floor is clear. That was definitely one of the most important parts. Really love the way the closet turned out. This is definitely one of my favorite parts of the room, especially the wallpaper. I was able to utilize every little nook and cranny of this space. Because I took that shelf out of this closet, I wanted to add some bookshelves, just maximize the vertical space. These boxes I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few months ago, and I wanted to create some keepsake boxes for all of the pictures that we have. We have a lot more than just this. I still have to print a lot off, and I really wanted my boys to be able to have those once they got older. Not sure what happened to my silhouette machine, but it started turning yellow. I would really love to invest in a Cricut machine later on, but right now I need to focus on what I have because I'm still trying to figure out how to work this sublimation printer, but we'll get to that step when that time comes. I'm happy I decided to print the decals and add them to these frames. I was looking for some posters or something to put in these frames. I wasn't sure what I wanted to do, but I am happy with this outcome. I do need to add some labels to these cute boxes. I'll get around to doing that later. It just will not be in this video. Okay, friends, that's going to be it for this video. I really hope I brought you some organization inspiration, gave you some motivation to organize a space in your home. As I mentioned, this video was not for aesthetic purposes. I just really wanted this room to be able to function for what I needed it for, and I think I achieved that goal. But as always, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend, and until next time, my friends, take care.
Some days gonna make it.